Hi everyone, welcome to another episode of Tech World. Today, I'm back with another easy tutorial on how to set a price alert on Coinbase. Keep watching the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you've not yet. Also press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us before starting the video. If you don't have a Coinbase account, you can sign up for one by clicking on the referral link in the description box below. This should be beneficial to the growth of our channel without costing you anything. Now let's get started. Open Coinbase application from the app drawer and make sure that you're logged into it. Once you're logged in, tap on the hamburger menu located at the upper left-hand corner from your homepage. This will bring up an expanded menu. Tap Profile and Settings, scroll down and tap on Notification setting right under Customize Notifications. You should see an option that says Price Alert. Give it a tap and under Preferences you can have alert push to your phone or set it to only alert you within the app. You can also enable email alert. Price alert is used for receiving alerts for assets on your watch list. These alerts will notify you whenever there are large swings in price over a short period of time. That is how you can easily set price alert on Coinbase using iPhone. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll soon be back with more tutorial videos like this. Thank you for watching.